We also have some of the best rugby minds in Fiji. You, the likes of Simon Revalui, Koli Sewambu and others. A whole lot of local talent as we have grown. What is being done or what should be done to continue to nurture our coaching talent?
I think it's important that we understand who we are as Fijians, how we express ourselves on the rugby field, our identity. And I think you talk to any international coach, any international team, and they say the one thing about Fijians, physicality. And that's how we do it. But physicality comes at a price, and that needs physical conditioning. Being fit to be resilient and last and relentless for the whole 80 minutes. Week in, week out. This World Cup is going to be a long haul. And, all teams will want to train to be the number one. And that's, obviously you mentioned some of the best rugby minds. And, that's a good thing, and our boys will only benefit from it. But let's not forget, we've got players now in this team who have come through a lot of great coaches in their time. What you'll have now is a group of Fijian players who are like coaches on the field. And that's something that's really important. You talk to the Irish team that, won the series in New Zealand last year? They beat the All Blacks. What they have on the field and what they've created is rugby coaches on the field. And that for us is the blueprint. And you look at Ben Ryan, when he was with the Fiji Sevens, he didn't do analysis with the boys because he trusted the boys' IQ. The boys were analysts in their own right. And the Fijian brain works tremendous. It's a different kind of network wiring that we have. And our boys are really intelligent. And once they understand, the principles of the game, what they need to do in different parts of the field, and our coaches will give them the tools. My job in the SNC team to make sure they have the capacity to do that. And our job will be to drive the disciplines, that they are eating the right foods, they're hydrating well, they're doing their extra recovery, doing their mobilized activation exercises. They need to get their work done in the gym. They need to do their extra fitness work. If it's a low training day, you don't need X amount of energy, carbohydrate, cut it down. You don't need to be on your phone at 11 p.m. If we can get that right, we get all the disciplines right, you're sleeping well, eating well, the talent will take care of itself. And that's the exciting bit.